Hi, Vanakkam, Namaste everyone. I'm super excited to welcome you to this live session presented by Lottie Tamil and powered by Lottiefiles and Lottie India. On today's session, we are going to see how to use Lottie animations on website with no code. Before we are moving further, I'd like to know your name and where are you from. So please comment on the live chat. For example, hi, my name is Antony Rahul and I'm from India. Come on, guys. Wow. Hi, Johin. Nice to meet you. Hi. 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 Okay. Wow. Fantastic. Nice to meet you all. Thanks for tuning in. Without any more wait, let's get started with our agenda. So, today we are going to introduce to Lottie Tamil Nadu. After that, we are going to see this files. Then we are going to see a speaker's note where he is showing us how to use Lottie animation on the website with no. After that, we are going to answer some of your questions. So make sure to come up with your awesome questions. Then finally, we are going to wrap up this section. Okay, then let's start with introduction. So, hi folks, my name is J. Antony Rahul, also known as a Luha Tony. I'm a Lottie community organizer for Lottie Tamil Nadu. I'm a motion designer working at Gubi Geeks ATM channel. I'm also a freelance 3D generalist and I will be here for today's section. I believe motion design will reshape every part of the visual industry, and this community will play a active role in it. So, for you to understand, here is my quick demo reel to show what's my work on 2022. Have a look, guys. I hope you liked it. Now let's welcome our Kishor. He is one of our Lottie community organizer for Lottie Tamil Nadu. So let's welcome him onto the stage. Hi Kishor.
Hey, Anthony. Thanks for inviting me, man. Hello, everyone. How you are doing? Thank you
Let's
for.
introduce yourself to our community, Kishor.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So I'm Kishor. I'm a motion graphic designer and a product designer. I currently work at a edtech company called GUI. We sell courses there, and we also conduct live classes there. So I'm more of a generalist. So thank you, and let's move on,
So
Anthony.
okay everyone. We both will be organizing many more amazing things to support you in a motion journey. So stay in touch with us. Now, Kishore, I'm going to put you on backstage and I will bring you later for the presentation. Thank you, Kishore.
Sure, Anthony. Okay.
Okay. Now, let's see what is Lottie Tamil Nadu. So, Lottie Tamil Nadu is a place where the people like you who are interested in motion You may be designer, developer, engineer, can be anything, but it's a place where we can able to learn new skills in Lottie animations and where we can able to meet each other virtually or in person, and especially where we can help each other as a family. So if you are the person who is interested in motion, make sure hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. And you can able to find the following links in the description to follow us on the social handles also. Right now, you may ask me, hey Rahul, what is Lottiefiles? What is the use of? Further, the answer is so simple. Lottie is a place for testing, collaborating, and discovering animations for the community of the designers and developers. The platform offers a range of tools, features that aim to make a discovery, creations, and implementations of Lottie animation easy and more efficient. So Lottie files are used in websites, mobile apps, Telegram, animated stickers, presentations, social media. You can fill this. Future is Lottie. Yeah. So there are more than 130,000 companies are using Lottie files. Those companies include Paytm, Ola, Zoho, Swiggy, Byju's, etc. Before moving further, let me play the intro video for the Lottie animation. Enjoy.
I've got a big fat drum, big fat drum. I've got a big fat drum, pounding so bad. I've got a big fat drum, big fat drum. I've got a big fat, big fat, big. Listen. Yeah. Clap. You ready? Let's go.
Is it super, right? I hope you all like the video. If you do, let us know in a live chat or comment. Now let's welcome our speaker, our co-host Kishor, onto the stage. Come on, people, use the thumbs up emoji to welcome our Kishor. Kishor,
Hey,
welcome again. We are happy to
hey,
have you
welcome
here.
again. Thank you again. Yeah, thank you. Thanks,
Kishore,
man.
before we are diving deep into our today's topic, Lottie animation on website with no code, tell us about yourself and how did you get interested in motion?
Okay, that's interesting. How I started design. It's an interesting thing. So I used to create memes during my college days, and one day, like I used to do a lot of video stuff and motion stuff during the college days. And one day, a friend asked me, he's Bharatwaj. He asked me that did you know there's a platform called Lottiefiles and things like that? So I didn't know exactly what is that. So I started learning it, and I slowly did those things. And I also got placed in a company as a graphic designer at first, and then slowly I started doing motion graphics, and I'm doing product design currently. So it's an interesting journey if you look back. So yeah, thanks, man. Anthony, why don't you share your design journey? Come on, share it.
Yeah, same. I was when I'm at the age 10, my background was my father is a photographer. He often used the Photoshop to use their tools, and even my mother used a Photoshop. On the time when I was in a standard 10th, I started using the Photoshop and become more interested. And after when I'm
Cool. 10th
studying at
standard.
the yeah,
You
in
mean
the
10th grade,
10th
right?
standard.
That's cool,
Yeah,
man.
it's a 10th grade. Yeah. And at the age 12, I watched a video called Zacking. You came through a Zacking, right? He's a VFX artist, so I got interested and trying to do that, and I joined it in a visual communication and did the most of the motion parts in that one. From that
Cool, cool,
point,
cool.
I got interested in a motion. Yeah.
Thanks for sharing,
Okay.
Anthony.
Uh,
Okay,
Thanks
shall we
to
just move
Kishor.
on to the
Yeah,
topic?
sure. Okay, folks,
Cool.
let's begin right now. And if you have any question and answer regarding this topic or anything related to this motion or lottery, we will be answering all of your questions once our speaker finish his presentation. In the meanwhile, you can drop your questions on the live chat. Okay, Kishore, the stage is yours now. Thank you.
Thank you, Anthony.
Okay.
Okay, are you all excited, guys? Just put a wave emoji in the chat if you are all excited. So let's just start, okay? First and foremost, vanakkam everyone. Ellarku vanakkam. So as you all know, I just shared my design journey. It's an interesting one, and we'll just get to know about the topic we are going to see today. It is animation on websites with no code. So I hope you all know that is the topic today. And first of all, what is motion design actually? So if you have any ideas about motion design, just put it in the chat. I'll read and respond. Any ideas about motion design? Okay, I'll just make it simple for you guys. So motion design is nothing but the animations and micro interaction that you see in a website or an app, whichever moves in a screen is called motion design. And so let's just see what it is. It's just a graphic design that is animated. So obviously, yes. So whatever the small thing you see, which is called micro interaction, or even you might have seen it in the onboarding screen, or even the loading screen is made of motion design. So we have seen a lot of companies, like Antony presented. We have seen a lot of companies like Google, um, uh, Duolingo, Disney, and all the companies use it. So I think I don't need to explain the importance of using design in the websites or your app. So let's just go into the implementation part. So there are Lottie ways to implement animation in websites. So we'll just see how we can implement those. So you can implement with video or PNG sequence or GIF or Lottie animations. So today's topic is obviously Lottie animation. So we'll just get into it. Do you want to just go into the hands-on? Like I'll just get into the hands-on right now. It's just very simple, guys. I'll just switch my screen. Okay. So first we'll see the Webflow one. So it's going to be very crispy. I'll just go to the topic and finish it. Like it's very sharp and cut to the point. So we are going to create a new site. Okay, it's asking for new project. I'm just lazy to create one from blank. So I'm just gonna use a template. So yeah, create site. I don't know why it's so slow. Is it my internet? Okay. Okay, it's coming. So, like, I'm just lazy to create a separate thing for it, guys. So I'll just use this part to replace this image into like add a Lottie animation in this part. So what you're going to do is we are going to remove this one and click on this one. You're going to add a new element and you can find Lottie animation here. So you just found it. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a JSON file to it. It is a short, I hope so. Like you can also do another thing, which is adding embed code, which also Lottie file supports, but it is a paid feature. So I'm just going to go with the Lottie option. Where is it? Okay, I already added it, so it is already here. So in the Lottie animation, what you're going to do is you're going to select this. Go over here, replace Lottie sequence. But since we don't have anything here, we are going to search it in Lottiefiles website. We are going to search for a okay. I think this is nice. So we are gonna give a like because it is nice. That's basic etiquette. And we are going to download the JSON file. Okay, we have downloaded it, and we are going to add it with the upload option here. Like you can see it from the icon itself. You have an upload option, and uh, select the one we just downloaded. Okay. I'm not sure why I can't select it yet. It's something happening with my internet, guys. 1 second. Yeah, it's done. So we are going to select loop, and we are going to preview the animation. So it's done. It's simple as that. We just downloaded a JSON and replaced it with the existing one. So yeah, in Webflow, it is a way to do it, and we are going to move on with the swipe pages. It is also a no-code website. So what you are going to do is like create a demo page for simply explaining it, and okay, we are going to go with the basic one that is given with this thing. So we'll just start with the blank page because other pages are too complicated. And we are going to add a section. We'll just have this one. So guys, I'm just basically selecting a layout. Hello all. This is a demo page. So what we are going to do here is same thing. Since it doesn't like swipe pages doesn't support Lottie animation like integrated. So we are going to use this HTML code one. So they are given a text box so that we can add our embedded code here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one. You can see here like there are a lot of options to implement. There's what is it? WordPress.com and Webflow, Apple, Android, and things like that. So we are going to use the HTML one. So it is how we implement it. And you can just select whichever you want. If you want controls in your app, you can just use it because I'm not going to use it because it will be like cluttery, and I'm going to choose autoplay and loop. What I'm going to do is just copy this code. I hope you can remember I said no code, but there will be some code you're going to copy and paste. So I just pasted it here, and we are going to preview it. I think I forgot to save it. So save and preview. So here you can see the animation playing here. So like I said, it is very simple as that. And we have seen how to implement Lottie animations in both Webflow and Swipe pages. So if it is like I know I went very fast, but if you guys want look like very deep into it, you can always text us, or you can always ask in the Q&A session. I'll be very happy to help. So that's it, guys. I'll just hand over the session to Antony. Antony, we can finish it here.
Wow. Awesome, Kishor. It's really wonderful presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, hi guys.
I'm just curious to read all of your comments here. Okay, go on, Antony. I'm just reading the comments.
Okay. Hi folks. Now we are in a Q&A section. Kishor, we have some questions as you told. Let us answer right.
Sure. I'm very eager to answer all your questions.
So guys, if you have any questions, please drop it down in the comments so that we can answer your questions.
Put it in the chat, guys.
Come on, guys, you can make it. Come on. Let's see how many people can put in here. So there are some other comments. Kishore, can we look through?
Okay, I don't want to do that, but we'll go through it.
Okay, pick up the question which you.
I don't think there are a lot of questions here. Just people are here to, I'm not sure.
Okay, we got one question. Let me post it.
Shoot it.
Yeah.
Where to learn motion design? It's a nice question. There are like multiple YouTube channels to learn from. I can't mention one. Like if you just search for motion design in YouTube, you can get a lot of suggestions from YouTube, because I myself learned from YouTube. Not I didn't go for any course, or I didn't go for any like specific thing from this motion design, but I can suggest you some really good YouTube channels. But I can't do it now. I'll just hit us in the inbox of Instagram. So I'll be doing it over there.
Okay, Kishore.
In the
so
end,
there
we'll
is
be
a
sharing social media handles. So there you can just remind me. I'll just give you the suggestions of very good YouTube channels. And also in Lottiefiles also, I think we have a course by Sapta. You can check it out. It's free also. I hope that clears your question.
There is a question from Kavya. Post it here.
Okay. Yes, sir. ஒருவேளை இங்க உள்ளவங்க தமிழ் தவிர other language people இங்கிலீஷ்லயே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க, or otherwise தமிழ் எக்ஸ்பிளைன். இந்த கொஸ்டின் கேட்டதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. இது லாட்டி தமிழ்நாடு யூடியூப் சேனலா இருந்தாலும் we have lot of people from other states as well, so it is better to keep it in English. மற்ற இடத்துல இருந்து மக்கள் வந்திருக்கிறதுனால இது நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ்லயே பேசுறது பெட்டர்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். So sorry Kavya, like we'll try to do the next one.
Definitely Kai. Yeah, definitely we are going to try. Kandipa naanga பண்ணுவோம். Okay.
Since it's a local type of community, future-la நான் கண்டிப்பா consider பண்ணுவோம். Thank you for asking.
Thank you. Wow, we have the question from our fellow mate. Hi, Lottie Taki. How are you?
Hey, Lottie, Turkey, lovely presentation. How can we use icon slash button animations in Webflow with Lottie? Uh, Thanks for asking, Lottie, Turkey. I'm a noob, okay? I haven't explored much, but what we can do is there is an option for implementing interaction in Webflow. So uh, I'll just share a link with you. In that, it is they have given how we can implement the interactions in the Webflow. So I'll be sharing it with you later, and I also have to explore it. It's a good question.
Okay. So, guys, if you have any questions, please drop it here. Yeah, we are ready to answer it right now. Come on, guys. So let's wait for one more minute, Kishore.
Sure. I'll just show you where you can find it. Um, Integrations.
So can I add your screen right now so that you can show right
Yeah,
demonstrate?
bro.
Okay.
So there is a page in Lottiefiles official website. Here you can find like different ways to implement the integration in Webflow. So I'll just explore it and explain you in the next one. I guess we'll take this topic as the next events topic. So that's a great question. So I'll just share the link with you.
Okay. Nice, Kishore. So we got the question from Aravinda.
Okay.
So hi,
Hey
Aravinda.
Aravinda,
Nice to meet you.
what are major key pointers we must keep in mind while creating Lottie animations? Um, like while creating animations or while implementing, you are asking, Aravinda. So because there are a lot of principles while creating, like there are 12 principles for creating an animation, I think. So I haven't learned it, but I know what kind of animations work. So basically, if you go to Nielsen Norman Group's motion design page, they have clearly given those 12 principles while creating animation. So you can just follow that, or you can just keep experimenting, like whichever you find aesthetically pleasing, and also that improves the usability while using it in your UI. So those things will be the key pointers, like you have to keep in mind. So these are the things I keep in mind, but it's up to you, like you can explore much more. So that is my point.
Great. Okay. So anyone have any questions? Okay. Okay, Kishore. Then can we continue?
Yeah, sure. We can proceed to the last slide.
Okay. Okay. Now we are going to the closing scenario. Thank you, Kishore, for a wonderful presentation. It's really motivated me to try it out. Definitely, I'm gonna try it out. And you folks, if you want to show us, you can tag us on your social handles. You can find our social handles on the video description. If you like this live stream, really helpful, hit the subscribe button to see more some upcoming events from our Lottie community. Lastly, we are allowed to hear your feedbacks about this live section. I will paste the link in the live chat and the pinged command so that you can give your feedback, or you can share your screen share. And don't forget to join our Discord server and make sure to follow our the social handles also. With that said, thank you for tuning in and we hope to see you again. Kishore, you have
Thank you
anything to
all.
say?
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for joining, everyone. It's a great thing that you have all joined us in the weekend. It's so great to see you here, and thank you everyone who who has put comment. Thank you, everyone. So we'll be sharing our LinkedIn. If you have any doubts, you can just stay in touch, or if you shoot your questions or whatever you want, just hit us up. Like, I'll be very happy to help outside this outside this live video also. So thank you for joining.
Okay. Until
Anthony,
then,
can
this
you
is
just share yours also?
yeah, Kishor. Hello. Yes, Kishor.
Yeah. I'll share yours also.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Which one?
No, bro. I said, like, I'll share your LinkedIn in the chat.
Okay. Then can we wind up or?
Yeah. We can wind up, unless people has anything to say. We can wind up.
Okay. Okay. There is one more question from Aravinda.
Yes. Please share your inspiration with us. Sure, Aravinda. Like I said, like, there are multiple YouTube channels that you can draw inspirations from. So the if you are a starter and you are looking for inspiration, you should just go straight to Sapta's YouTube channel. So yeah, that's the inspiration. That's the takeaway for you.
Okay. And folks, if you like to be a speaker on our upcoming event, there is a form for you. In the feedback form, you can fill it out with your portfolio. If you like your portfolio, we definitely will contact you soon. Thank you. Until then, this is me, your friend Antony Kishor, signing off. Bye, friends.